to Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, how can you grow your credit score by 150 points? That's a mistake you're making. Don't think about a number. Doesn't matter if it's 200 points, 100 points, 50 points. Think more about the strategy. A strategy that a lot of people use, especially wealthier, more affluent people, they utilize the authorized user AU strategy. What that is essentially is if you know someone, friend, family, brother, sister, some people even pay other people, but be very worried about paying companies. Make sure you know the person, I would say. And if you know someone has good credit and they have good payment history, you just say, hey, can you add me to your credit card as authorized users? They don't even have to give you the card, but you'll start getting and racking up points from this person who already has an excellent credit score if you just are added as an authorized user. So look it up yourself, do your own due diligence. Don't just trust me, but I am telling the truth. But again, authorized users is one way you can really boost your credit score pretty much overnight. And then what happens is you inherit their good payment history on their credit card account, which boosts your account. Anyways, like, subscribe, share, counting out.